Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is my first ever video vlog, and before anything else I would like to introduce first myself. But before that, we're going to Panglao. Alona Panglao, yes. We will capture there the beautiful sea, the white sand, and also I'm walking right now alone in the street, and I'm going there. And after I came there, I will introduce myself, because since this is my first ever vlog and my first ever video that I made. So see you guys, stay tuned and relax. So I'm walking right now, guys. You see, it's very hot here, and I'm walking until I go there. I just walk since walang pera, char lang. Challenge lang sa paglalakad. So that makikita nyo po yung dito. Napakainit ng nilakad. Okay, let's see you there in Alona Beach. So ito na nga guys, dito na tayo. Medyo malayo-layo pa to ng konti sa pupuntahan natin, but kaya pa naman lakarin guys. So ayun, look at that, parang amazing. So fast forward na naman natin guys, fast forward para maging naman tayo, si Flash. Charot lang. At ngayon guys, lumampas na tayo ng 7-Eleven. Umiti ako doon kasi nga nagbihis ako. Tapos yun na, palakad na naman tayo papuntang Alona Beach, Panglao. See you in a while. Fast forward na naman natin guys. We're here already sa papuntang beach. May nag-hi pa nga. Malapit na tayo dito guys, papuntang Alona Beach. Kunting lakad na lang at makakarating na tayo sa ating paroroonan. Fast forward na naman natin guys para mabilis. And we're here na guys. This This is the Alona Beach, Panglao. Look at that. Pwede kayong mag-ano dito guys, sa gustong pumunta dito. Madaming pwedeng gawin dito guys. Pwede pang tropa, pang pamilya, at pang sports pa. Charis. Look at the view guys. Actually maraming tao dito guys pag ano, maraming tao dito pag mga 9 to 10, ganun, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Mga ano na kasi oras dito yung mga 4 ata, 3 or 4 o'clock na to. Pero meron pa rin mga tao. Pero actually maraming mga foreigner dito, more or less mga 9 to ano, madami talagang foreigner dito. Tsaka local na din. So this is Alona Beach. And tingnan nyo yung sun. Basa lang siya. Pero pag ano talaga, puti talaga yan. Parang kulay brown lang tingnan sa ano camera. White sand, super white sand. So hello guys, we're back and I'm here. You see, I'm here at Alona Panglao Beach in Bohol. And as what I said earlier, by the way, napalit ako ng damit kasi nga ano, nagkapawis ako sa kakalakad. So yun na nga, as what I says earlier, magpapakilala ako since this is my first video vlog. And I'm here at Alona. So I am Jun Paulo Oclarit. I am 29 years old. And I am currently residing at Hagna din, Hagna Bohol. I'm from Bohol also. And I'm here at Panglao for some vacation. Pampawala ng stress. Since stress tayo lately. Kasi sa dami ng problem, so yun. And naisipan ko palang mag-vlog kasi nga wala lang. So this is Panglao. You can see that's Panglao. Panglao, Alona Panglao Beach. So you please come here, visit, and you can experience everything here, like diving, banana boat, everything. So come and enjoy and experience. guys, i-zoom in ko ha. Ayan o, pwede nyo yung ma-experience dito guys, yung ganyan o, yung naka-parachute na hinihila ng speedboat. You can experience that guys here at Alona Panglao Beach in Bohol. Punta na kayo dito guys. That's all for today's video guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos. Goodbye!